Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in your Instagram story. So for this, first of all, you just have to open the Instagram application in your mobile and then come for this home page. And now you just have to tap on this your story, and now you have to upload any story, let's say this one. And now how you can mention someone in your Instagram story, you can simply type this add mention and you can type the name of the person you want to mention like this, and now this person is mentioned. And the second way what you can do is, if you tap on this, or you can see this mention again, so tap on this and now you can type again any username and this person will be mentioned in my story. And the third option is, if you tap on this stickers and you can see this second option mention, tap on this mention again, you just have to write the username of the person and this username will be mentioned in your stories. So that's pretty much it. These are the ways you can mention someone in your Instagram stories. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.